Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Belorraine. I wanted to share with you how I do my in-home facial and what's my entire routine. So let's get started. So first thing, I want to clean my face, and I love using the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bouncy Gentle Cleanser. So I'm just gonna damp my face a little bit over this, and then just clean. I don't know, but every time I do a facial, it really does relax me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys get relaxed every time you do your skincare routine, or if you have that special day like in the weekend to like do an extra self-care time. Okay, I just cleansed it, rinsed with my sponge, and I'm just gonna let it air dry, just tap it. Next up, I'm gonna do a toner. I have the Round Lab Mugwort Calming Toner. This one, it has mugwort leaf extract, which is very well known to calm any irritation that you have on your skin, or if you have any pimples like me. I have like a lot of redness and irritation, so I really want to use a calming toner for that. And then now I'm going to be using a facial steamer. I bought this on Amazon. I think it was like $29 or $30, I don't know, but it was very cheap, very affordable. It's a 3-in-1 device, facial steamer, a humidifier, and it also has the option to warm your towel. So good thing about that. A facial steamer has so many good benefits. It helps you for circulation, also to make those pores a little bit soggy, so when you're about to extract, or if you want to take out any blackheads, they come out easier. And the last benefit is that your skin will absorb your skincare products better. Ooh. I prepare my pores to be like gooey and soft, so I can add detoxifying nose strips. And these are so cute because I bought these on CVS. One is like a bunny and the other one's the piggy. So I feel like I'm going to be doing a bunny. Look how cute is this? Next up, while this is doing its magic for 10 to 15 minutes, need more hydration on my forehead and want to have more brightness on my cheeks and chin. So I'm gonna be using the Innisfree Pore Clearing Color Mask with volcanic clusters, and it's the brightening one. And next up is my hydrating wash-off mask, and this one is from the brand I Do Care, and these are so cute. I actually did a product review out of this brand and this product and 2 more. This one actually comes in a package of 3. I bought the mini trios, and this wash-off mask is inspired of ice cream flavors, and this one is like the birthday cake flavor, and it has like little beads inside. Here's the link right over here or here where I do the product review. So after this video, you should check that out. And I'm gonna be putting it on my forehead because that's where I feel like it needs more hydration. So 10 minutes has passed by. I'm gonna take these off. It did not take out as much, but it did take out, plenty. Okay, after that, next up, Essence. This one is the It Began, the vegan line from Jejin. Ooh, my skin feels lighter. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, and after that, my serum is charged with antioxidants that will help skin condition and will prevent any signs of aging. So this is from the brand Mamonde and their Red Energy Recovery Serum. So I'm just gonna use 1 pump all over. Eye cream, Glow Recipe, Avocado Melt, Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. Here and here. I'm going to be using my little flowies, my Jade flowies, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a massage drainage with the serum that I already have. Perfect. And last thing, I'm just gonna add my hydrating cream. This one's from Jejin, the hyaluronic acid cream. I've been using this for 2 or 3 months now, and I love how it's so creamy. That's how I do my simple facial at home. I hope you liked this video. I hope this encouraged you to buy a facial steamer. I'm still figuring it out what type of videos you guys would love to see. Is it more fashion? Is it more skincare? Is it makeup? So please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, some love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on my social medias at Belorraine. See you in my next video. Bye! Annyeong!